Hi, in Power BI desktop, we have on the left hand side, there are three icons: report, data, and model. So, in report, it is where we create visuals. So, this is the report view where you create visuals from the visualization pane and picking up data from the fields. In this data we can see our whatever queries or whatever data which you have imported in tabular format. So it's easier to see your data in tabular format. So whatever you have plotted in the visual, so for example, if you want to go and check back your data in tabular format, you can click on this data tab and go to your particular table. You can just see if I want to check regarding category and I want to just cross verify my table. You can easily go here. You can filter out that particular category. You can check whatever data set you want to check. So for example, if I want to check cutlery, and in cutlery I want to check for spoon. So in this manner I can filter it out and check my data set if you want to see in a tabular format your original data set. So this is the use of the data tab. So you can just again go back and remove the filters. So this is the use of the data tab in this Power BI. And next is this model tab. In model tab you have the tables which you have imported. So the model tab is used to create relationships or create hierarchies. So for example, you can see there is a relationship between the parent query and the reference table. So if you have imported any master tables, you can then create a relationship from directly with the mouse, or you can go here and select the manage relationship icon and create relationship between your raw data and master tab by clicking on this new and adding those tables. Okay. And also if you want to create a particular hierarchy like for example, I have category and I want to create a hierarchy. So I will right click and select create hierarchy. I want a hierarchy of category and description of goods. Okay. So now you can see there is a hierarchy, and I can then go back to my report. And for example, here in the taxable value, I will just okay, so that all is clear. Now in this, I will instead of just category, I will enter this hierarchy. Okay. So now if I allow this and I can drill back. So this is the use of report, data and model.